Lord, till you show up. I am waiting. There is nothing you can do, Lord, till you show up. I am waiting. There is nothing we can do, Lord, till you show up. We are waiting. You're the fire, you're the spirit, I'm your altar. I await you. You're the fire, you're the spirit, I am your altar. I await you. I await you. I await you. Lord, I await you. 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 I indicate Shalabadada. My spirit cries. You're the spirit, I'm your altar. I await you. You're the fire, you're the spirit, I'm your altar. Just go ahead and quest this night and ask the Lord for an infilling. We have not come to a mount that can be touched. We have come before Mount Zion, the city of the living God, the New Jerusalem. We've come before innumerable company of angels, to Christ, the mediator of the new covenant, to the blood of sprinkling that speaketh better things than the blood of Abel. Thank you, Lord Jesus.